this day was the day we made the biggest mistake. And beginning this day to the next election, it's going to be less than 2 years, beginning tomorrow. The countdown begins.
That's right.
So Kenyans must realize that in Homa Bay yesterday, the campaign for re-election of William Ruto began, with Raila Odinga making it clear he left us in Azimio and he joined the broad-based government. So far he has been dilly-dallying, giving false hope to those of us who are in Azimio that maybe one day he'll come back to the opposition, to the side of the people. Today, from his own mouth, yesterday in Homa Bay, we know that Raila Odinga will stand with William Ruto in 2027 and beyond. We want to ask Edwin Sifuna, we heard him say the other day, that if Raila Odinga is going to support William Ruto, that is the time he is going to depart from ODM. My brother Sifuna, they say the truth in the pudding is in the eating, unless you eat your own words. Would like to see all those who have been misled to believe Raila Odinga will one day abandon William Ruto and come back to join the one-term team, that Raila is not on the one-term team, he's on the two-term team.